And what are the 6 biggest mistakes to avoid when buying the house when it comes to credit?
Number one,
Mm-hmm.
do not max out your credit cards.
Yeah.
Maxing out your credit cards is going to instantly drop your credit score. It's also going to decrease your buying power.
100%.
Don't do that. Don't assume that you need 20% down for your loan. That is a big one. It depends on the loan type. There's a lot that goes into that. Do not assume that. Talk to your lender.
I'm going to throw this in there.
Please.
There's a lot of
Oh, yeah.
grant programs too. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, you can
Take
get
advantage.
help. You can get help. There's a lot of yes, down payment assistance where you don't have to put any cash down. Next one would be please do not quit your job. Do not
Oh,
quit your
yes,
job.
please. Yes.
This is a big one. We see it all the time. Job changes. Job changes don't necessarily mean you can't get qualified by any
Right.
means. Talk to your lender. But quitting your job when you're trying to purchase is a big fat no.
Yes.
Don't do that. Build a loan readiness plan, right? That's something that you can help your clients with. I can help your clients with. Loan readiness is key. There's a lot of factors that go into that are really important. And have somebody that's a professional help you get a plan to make sure that you're ready.
Oh, yes.
Do not purchase a new car before you go to buy a home. Number one, it's going to affect your credit score. Number two, it's going to affect your debt to income, which is going to affect your buying power.
Yes.
How much home can you get approved for? It's a double whammy. It's a loan killer, I will tell you, on a very regular basis. Please, for the love of God, don't buy a car.
They will tell you most of the time, they will tell you, oh, this doesn't affect you buying the house. It does. It does. It does. Just don't. Doesn't mean you can't.
Very much does.
Just let's game plan it first. Let's talk about
it.
Yeah.
Piece it together. Talk about how and when that can happen. And you know, talk to us. The last one is just talk to us. Talk to your lender. Talk to a credit professional. Talk to somebody that can help you make sure that you're on a plan. If you need to make big purchasing decisions, talk to somebody about how to do that, when to do that, and how it all works.